Hey everyone, it's summertime, my favorite time of year. I love the warm weather. You get to go swimming and just be outside. Um, I'm on here to tell you about a program I've been using that I learned affiliate marketing from. It is one of the best programs I've used. I've tried many, but this one actually works. And it's a fraction of the cost of what everyone else is charging. Everyone else is charging hundreds to thousands of dollars to teach you how to set up an affiliate business. This would also work if you own a business and you want to set up your own funnel system for advertising. It's called Partner with Anthony, and it is one of the best programs that I have used. I'm actually making money on it, and you can too. So you need to click the link below, check it out. It's only $7. And you can also get going too. It's a whole video system that shows you exactly what to do, and it shows you correctly. It doesn't switch things and you lose information, which I have. I've tried, a couple different programs, and I never succeeded in them. So I want you to try it out. Click on the link. Talk to you again. Bye.